So, Mr. Webb, how have you found the experience at Sutton Hearing Care?
Extremely positive. It's been an experience which has combined care and understanding with professionalism. And in the space that the company operates in, it's not always obvious whether you are a patient or a customer, whether you're getting professional service or a person using the opportunity. So I can't say enough about the positive culture in earwax specialist company.
Amazing. And Mr. Webb, how have you been getting on with your hearing aids so far?
Well, part of the agreement was that after having the hearing aids fitted, I would come back quite quickly. I think it's actually been about 7 or 8 days, just to check that I'm doing things right, or has anything gone wrong, or am I dissatisfied? So a proper quality assurance system exists, and it's totally focused on the customer.